Este anillo no tiene ni comienzo ni fin, el cual simboliza el amor entre nosotros, lo cual nunca se termina. This ring has no beginning and no ending, which symbolizes that the love between us will never cease.
Your wedding day is one that seems to really fly by. It's a day that's filled with lots of emotion, celebrating with family and friends. Many people remember just how fleeting their own wedding day was. So I'd like you to take just a moment and to look into one another's eyes. I'd like you to think about the happiness that you're feeling at this very specific moment in time. Really let it register deep in your heart and deep in your mind. And now if you'll look out at all your family and friends that are present here today, always remember they are here to support your dreams, to support your goals, to support your marriage, and to celebrate the next chapter of your love story.
Debra and Jacques met at a casual fun run group on a Wednesday night at Uncle Billy's Tavern. They went on the first of many dates a couple of weeks later, and since then have shared in a beautiful relationship filled with meaningful experiences together with friends and with family. They enjoy traveling, eating really good food, especially those influenced by Mexico and Spain. Jacques recently supported Debra in her first full marathon, and Debra has managed to get Jacques onto the dance floor a time or two.
You are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard. These things I give to you today and all the days of our life.
I, Jacques, affirm my love to you, Debra, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, smart, and generous person I've ever known. I promise always to respect you, be kind to you, treat you as a lady, and defend you at all times. With kindness and unselfishness and trust, I will work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I take you, Debra, to be my lawful wife, and to have you and to hold you for this day. Forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
I pronounce you lawfully married. You may kiss your wife.
It's humbling, surreal, and beautiful. Our hearts are bursting with joy. It's so beautiful to see all of our favorite people in one spot. This just doesn't happen very often, and my heart is just so happy and so full. Thank you so much for coming.
Here we are. We found each other. I feel like we're blessed that we are a married couple. We are both honored that you're all here to celebrate this special moment.
A toast to the Benoon family and the Knoll family that are now uniting, and all of our friends who are now uniting with all of the families. There's just such beautiful energy here. So toast to family, friends, and love.
Salud.
Salud.